In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks to another project in Asana. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to take a task you're working on and place it in the right project so it's visible to the right team. Make sure you're signed into Asana and that you have access to the destination project before you begin. Start on the Asana home screen. This is your central dashboard, and it's the easiest jumping off point for everything you'll do. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and open My Tasks. This view gathers every task assigned to you across all projects, so it's a convenient place to find the item you want to move. If you have a lot of tasks, you can sort or filter to narrow things down, but even a quick scroll usually does the trick. Click the task you want to move. This opens the Task Details panel on the right. Think of this panel as the control center for your task. You can see the title, description, assignee, due date, subtasks, attachments, and its project associations. If the panel looks compressed, expand it so all fields are visible. Now, locate the projects area in that task panel. Depending on your layout, it appears near the top under the task title or along the side with other fields. This section shows which project or projects the task currently belongs to. Moving a task in Asana is done by changing its project association right here. Click Add to Project in the Projects area. A search box will appear. Start typing the name of the destination project, then select it from the list. You'll see the project name appear on the task, confirming that the task is now associated with that project. In many cases, Asana will also let you choose a specific section within the project. If you see that option, pick the most relevant section to keep things organized. A few helpful tips as you do this. If you don't see the projects field, try clicking Show More Fields or widen the task pane. If your workspace has many projects, typing the first few letters is the fastest way to find the right one. And remember, Asana allows a task to live in multiple projects at once, which is great for cross-functional work and reporting. Permissions apply, so if you can't add a task to a project, you may need access from the project owner. That's it. You've successfully moved your task to another project by adding it there from the Tasks Projects field. This keeps your work aligned, your team informed, and your projects clean and up to date.